nandito tayo sa Cardinal Hospital dahil binigyan tayo ng opportunity ng Lord para bigyan ng blessing ang nangangailangan nating kapatid. Come on, let's go and be excited. Come on, let us apply, pray, care, share these people. Before we go to their room, kailangan bumili muna tayo ng ating ipapasalubong sa kanila. And I'm sure wala pa silang lunch and dinner. Kasamahan niyo ako maghanap ng ating bibilin at pasalubong para sa kanila. Nang sa ganon, ay sa simpleng bagay na ating maibibigay at maaambag ay mapapasaya natin sila at maramdaman nila that they love and they are important. Come on, let's go. Join us. Samahan niyo ako mamili at maghanap tayo ng masarap na food na ipapasulubong natin sa kanila. Come on, let's go. Pak! Visit our friend. It's an emergency. Guys, God. And God gave me the favor para ako ay makapag-park. Guys, kala ko siya na. Guys, look at that. There's a settles best, but that is not the best among the rest. Guys, nandito na tayo, guys. We are here. Saan po yung ano? I am truly amazed at nakapasok kami and they give us opportunity to pray and to give a little blessing for our brother Ronnie. I hope you get well soon and God is in control. Hindi na rin kami pwede magtagal kasi very strict.